Hello everyone, welcome to this video where I introduce you to the course's website on Canvas. Now this is not exactly what you will see because I haven't published this course yet. Once I publish this course, you will see a slightly different version, not very different. Now, the first thing that I want you to do is this here is a link that will have 2 or 3 videos linked to it, which will have all the introductory material for the course. So that includes this video that you're watching, a video explaining the course's syllabus, and there'll be a video explaining the project, the group project. So all of that will be in the course introduction link. I'll make a playlist on YouTube, and you can go watch it on YouTube. Now, much of what we are going to do during the semester will be in the module section. If you go to modules, you will find information about me, about this course, the academic integrity policy, course learning objectives. All of that will be here. Course material. So this is the basic stuff. This will tell you what textbooks you need and things like that. And of course, the introduce yourself assignment. So it's not an assignment. It's just I just want you to go there and introduce yourself. So it's almost like you either do it or you don't. So if you do it, you'll get credit for it. If you don't, you don't. That's introduce yourself. I'm hoping that you'll do it soon enough, right? Okay. Now this here is a good set of guidelines for group work. So it tells you how you can navigate your group page in Canvas. This tells you how you can create, record, and download a group conference. So this is where I told you that there is this link on Canvas called Big Blue Button. If you go to Big Blue Button, sorry about that, Big Blue Button, it is a conference management software where you can record each other's voices. You can even have your video up and record each other's videos, and you can have a background slide up that you can scroll through. So it is really good for creating group podcasts, right? And then some best practices for group work. A lot of this work has been done by a colleague of mine um, who has shared her stuff with me, right? Okay. Now, the very first group project that you'll do is the project charter. Again, look at the group project video for more information on that. Now, all the homework and everything, I have that all set up. They will go up whenever the syllabus says they'll go up. Now, the deadlines here again, these are old deadlines. Don't pay attention to them. The deadlines are going to change. Um, Now, the very first week is Introduction to Supply Chain and Financial Metrics. So every week, I will have something like this posted. You will have a link called Week Activities. So whichever week it is. So if you go there, it gives you a list of everything that you have to do with the corresponding links either within the module or somewhere else that you have to do. So read all the materials in the group works guideline, watch the best practices video by my colleague Dr. McAlpine. Read the syllabus carefully. You'll be reading chapters 1 to 3 from the textbook, and there are a group of videos, the introduction to supply chain management videos from chapters 1 to 3 that I've already made, and they are already uploaded. So by the time you watch this video, all of that should be up. Now, of course, don't forget to go through the introduce yourself discussion prompt, right? So this is a detailed list of all the activities that you have to do for the first week. Obviously, first week is going to be a little bit involved because you have to get used to what's going on. But as you go on through the weeks, you will find that for every week I'll have a list of activities that I want you to do. You'll notice that it's not a lot in this particular week. Uh, uh, right. So when you're doing say seasonal inventory management, these, for example, there are only 3 or 4 things that you have to do. Right. So go through this list. It gives you a list of everything that you have to do, and in that particular week, right? And this is where the lecture materials will be. So if you're done with that, so in fact, when you go to this link here and say watch, it says watch the video. You have the course introduction video, which will be linked right here. Then you'll have to watch the intro to supply chain management video. So if you click on it, it takes you to the same link as the lecture materials here. The only thing that you'll have in the lecture materials that you don't have there. So these are all the intro to supply chain videos. So these are all the intro to supply chain videos here. What you will have here that's not in the in the previous link is the PowerPoints and the Excel calculations that I do. So like I said, this is an analytics course, so everything that we do will be either in Excel or in other analytical software. It will mostly be in Excel. So there'll be a lot of Excel calculations that you do, so the financial metrics and everything. So I will always link an Excel file with all the calculations that went on through the different videos that you'll watch. So don't be intimidated that you have to watch 6 videos. Some of these videos are only 4 or 5 minutes long. Some of them are 10, 15 minutes long. So you'll be able to get through all of them in a reasonable amount of time. And that's it. So that's what I expect you to do through the semesters. Through the semester, every week I will post a different module. You'll go to the activities, go through all the activities in the module, and then you'll be done. And that's the so that's the introduction to the website. Now, so I'll post another video. So there's another video with an introduction to the syllabus, and I'll post another video with with detailed instructions for the group project. Right. So those three together are the course introduction videos. Right. All right. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.